Tired of endless swiping on glass touchscreens? The Unihertz Titan 2 Elite is making waves in 2025 by bringing back the beloved physical keyboard in a modern Android smartphone. This isn't just a nostalgic nod, it's a full-fledged device that just shattered its Kickstarter goal, raising over $2.1 million from thousands of backers eager for tactile input. The Titan 2 Elite boasts a complete backlit QWERTY keyboard with revolutionary customizable shortcuts, allowing you to launch apps and edit text with ease, and even replaces the old trackball with advanced keyboard-based scrolling. Running on the latest Android 16 OS, this beast packs powerful dual 50-megapixel rear cameras, a 32-megapixel selfie camera, and global 5G coverage, making it a true competitor. For power users, the Titan 2 Elite Pro offers an even beefier Dimensity 8400 chip and 512 GB storage. Unihertz is committed to longevity, providing 5 years of OS updates and security patches until 2031, ensuring your investment is future-proof. If you've been waiting for a serious BlackBerry alternative, this physical keyboard smartphone might be your ultimate upgrade. Don't miss out. Check the description below for links to get your hands on the Unihertz Titan 2 Elite.